Hello students, today we are going to do English grammar topic types of sentences. In those types of sentences, we will learn simple, compound and complex sentences. Okay, now sentences are of three types: simple, compound and complex sentences. Now let us understand what does simple sentence mean, what does compound sentence mean and what does a complex sentence have. Now, as the name suggests, simple sentence, they are long sentences where there is no conjunction used. Conjunction means joining word. There is no joining word used in between, but sentence is simply long without any joining word. No conjunction is used. Then it is simple sentence. Now, what is a compound sentence? It consists of two or more main clauses. Remember, it has two or more main clauses. इसमें कोई भी डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज नहीं रहता है, इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज, और वी ऑल्सो कॉल इट मेन क्लॉज. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ मिनिमम टू और समटाइम्स इट कैन बी मोर देन टू, but remember that they have only main clauses, or you can say independent clauses. Now what do you mean by independent clauses? If we separate clauses, even then they are meaningful. अलग अलग करेंगे इसको, पार्ट में मेन क्लॉजेस को डिवाइड करेंगे, and if you read it separately, even then they will be meaningful. Okay, so when they are separated and even then they are meaningful, तो such clauses are called main clauses और independent clauses. So compound sentence में क्या होता है, सिर्फ main clauses ही होते हैं, independent clauses ही होते हैं, कोई dependent clause नहीं होता. अच्छा, another thing which you have to remember is जो clauses होते हैं, main clauses, okay, they are combined together with the help of coordinating conjunction. Okay, two clauses जो है they are joined with the help of coordinating conjunction. Conjunction क्या होता है, joining words. But conjunction are again of two types: coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. So we will learn this in detail, what is coordinating conjunction, but for time being you remember compound sentence consists of two or main clauses, that is independent clauses. Another thing is कि they are combined with the help of coordinating conjunction. Now what are main clauses? When you separate, they are still meaningful. Okay, now let's come to the third type, which is complex sentence. कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में इट कंटेन्स वन मेन क्लॉज, यानी वन इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज, बट टू और मोर डिपेंडेंट, और वी ऑल्सो कॉल देम सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. क्या होता है कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में? वी हैव वन मेन क्लॉज, बाकी जो दूसरा क्लॉज होगा इट कुड बी टू, वन, जो भी है, इट विल बी डिपेंडेंट और सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. माइंड इट, मेन क्लॉज को इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज भी बोलते हैं, डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज को सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज भी बोलते हैं, तो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. नाउ हियर कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस कंटेन्स वन मेन क्लॉज बट एटलीस्ट वन सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. नाउ व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस? इफ वी सेपरेट दीज क्लॉजेस, देन सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन द मेन क्लॉज फॉर मीनिंग. दोनों को अलग अलग करेंगे तो मेन क्लॉज का तो मीनिंग निकलेगा, बट जो सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज रहेगा, इट विल नॉट बी मीनिंगफुल, इट विल बी मीनिंगलेस. उसको जब तक अनलेस एंड अनटिल वी कंबाइन विद द मेन क्लॉज, इट विल नॉट बी मीनिंगफुल. सो that is what is called dependent clause. Okay, one more thing you have to remember: two clauses are combined with the help of subordinating conjunction. Okay. Now if once again I will brief you. Simple sentences, they don't have any conjunction, no joining word. Compound sentence have joining words, but they are coordinating conjunction. Complex sentence have joining words, but they are subordinating conjunction. Compound sentence has only main clauses, but complex sentence has one main clause and the rest subordinate clause. This is the main difference between simple, compound and complex sentence. Let's understand in detail. Okay. Simple, compound, complex sentence. Now as I told you, simple sentences में we don't have any joining word. अगर joining word नहीं है तो how are those big sentences, long sentences written? They are written with the help of ing words, जैसे being या after plus ing word, on plus ing word, या without plus ing word, या infinitive to plus v1, or sometimes phrases like in spite of, yeah, having plus this. Like this, long sentences are written with the help of joining words, with the help of phrases or ing words. Here no joining word is used. Okay. Compound sentence, I told you, two clauses or more clauses, whatever it is, they are combined with the help of coordinating conjunction. Now what are coordinating conjunction? Conjunction is joining word, but coordinating conjunctions, you have to remember these are coordinating conjunctions. And, or, as well as, not only, but also, for, either or, neither nor, but, however, yet, still, so, therefore. Okay, another thing easy way to remember is, like, when two items are given, two people named, two choices are given, so generally we write and का synonym क्या है, as well as, synonym क्या है, not only but also, और synonym उसका क्या है, either or. Okay, तो they work on the similar line, all those joining words. Or when you have opposite ideas, so then but, however, yet. Okay, like this. These are all coordinating conjunction. You have to remember these are coordinating conjunction. So in compound sentence we will be using these coordinating conjunction. Last is complex sentence. Complex sentences में clauses are joined with the help of subordinating conjunction. Conjunctions are nothing but joining words. Okay. Now here, what are those subordinating conjunction? First of all, you remember जो भी WH question words हैं, which, when, where, when, how, who, they make it subordinating conjunction. Then contrast में though, although, even if. Okay. Yeah, if there is any condition, then if, unless, as. Yeah, whenever there is any reason to, since, because, that, so that. No, these are all subordinating conjunctions. Simple sentences में we never use any joining words. So how do we write long sentences? With the help of ing words or infinitives or phrases. Compound sentences में we combine two clauses with the help of coordinating conjunction. These are coordinating conjunction. Complex sentence में we combine two or more clauses with the help of subordinating conjunction, and these words make it subordinating conjunction. I hope it is clear. Now let us understand with the help of example. See this sentence: in spite of playing well, he lost the match. Now, in spite of, it is a phrase, so this is simple sentence. No joining word is used, so this is simple sentence. Now if I have to convert this sentence from simple to compound sentence, what do I have to do? I have to pick up any joining word, any coordinating conjunction from here and put it here and rewrite the sentence. But at the same time you have to ensure that meaning should not change. Meaning has to remain same. So how can I write this? He played well, but he lost the match. Now if you see, in spite of, it tells that there are opposite ideas. Played well, but he lost the match. When opposite ideas are there, so you can combine with the help of word but or however, because it can be used for combining opposite ideas. So I used the word but. He played well, but he lost the match. Fine. Now if this sentence I have to convert into complex sentence, so what will I have to do? I have to remove this coordinating conjunction and I have to replace with subordinating conjunction. At the same time I have to ensure that meaning should not change. Okay. So this can be written as though he played well, he lost the match. Now since these are opposite ideas के लिए you can use though, although, even though. यहाँ पे अगर though की जगह पे although लिखा तभी भी ठीक रहेगा. Although he played well, he lost the match. Okay. Opposite ideas है तो though, although, even though. Here opposite ideas के लिए but. Now you have to remember, जब ही though लगाया, you took subordinating conjunction, so you have to skip coordinating conjunction. If you write both the conjunction, then the sentence will be wrong. It will neither be a compound, it will not be a complex. So you have to remember, when you write sentence in compound sentence, you have to use any of the coordinating conjunction, but when you change it to complex sentence, you have to replace this coordinating conjunction with any of this subordinating conjunction. Fine. Let's take one more example. In spite of working hard, he did not pass in the exam. Okay, again if you see, there are contrast ideas, opposite ideas. तो opposite ideas के लिए we can either use but or however in compound sentences. So it will be he worked hard but he did not pass in the exams. Okay, so this, the moment you insert coordinating conjunction, it becomes compound sentence. Now if you have to convert into complex sentence, what do you have to do? Replace this coordinating conjunction with subordinating conjunction. So this will be, though he worked hard, he did not pass in the exam. Here though, although, even though can be used for contrast ideas. Is it okay? Now see one more example. Being angry, he shouted at his servant. Now being word is used, ing word is used. This makes it simple sentence. If I have to convert into compound, I have to use any of these coordinating conjunction. So here it gives the reason. He shouted. Why did he shout? Because he was angry at the servant. So reason के लिए we have to find out what can be the joining word. So either we can use therefore or so. He was angry, so he shouted at his servant. The moment I put so, that is coordinating conjunction, it makes it compound sentence. Okay. So you have to see that meaning should not change. उसके लिए क्या है? You have to understand what type. अभी contrast है तो but though. Now here it is reason. तो reason के लिए so, and here reason के लिए because. He shouted at servant because he was angry. Now because is subordinating conjunction, and at the same time you have to skip this coordinating conjunction and put this subordinating conjunction to make it complex sentence. Being encouraged by Kim, she took to swimming. Now being, okay, ing word is used. So this is simple sentence. If I have to convert into compound, I have to put any of this coordinating conjunction, but you have to see what type of sentence it is. Again it is reason. Why did she take swimming? Because she was encouraged. So she was encouraged by Kim, so she took to swimming, and here it will be she took to swimming since she was encouraged by Kim. Here you can put because or you can put since. Okay, because, since, both are subordinating conjunctions. Is it okay? Now see some more examples, but the thing is you have to remember, simple में only phrases or ing words, compound में coordinating conjunction, complex में subordinating conjunctions are used. Being an expert orator, he gave an excellent speech. Okay, being, so it is simple sentence. Now if I have to convert into compound, again this is a reason. So he was an expert orator, so he gave excellent speech. I put so. As we saw in earlier example, reason के लिए यहाँ पे so और यहाँ पे since या because use करते हैं complex में. So since he was an expert orator, he gave an excellent speech. Here we used since for this reason. Okay. Going upstairs, I began to get it. Okay. Now if you see, only ing word is used, no joining word, so this makes it simple. Now you have to see what type of sentence. Contrast है, reason वाला है, but if you see, these actions have happened one after the other. एक दूसरे के पीछे पीछे, ऊपर गया और नीचे आया. तो I went upstairs and began to get it down. ऊपर गया और नीचे आना चालू कर दिया. These two actions happened one after the other. तो सक्सेशन में हुई, कुछ रीज़न नहीं है, ऑपोजिट आइडियाज़ नहीं है, तो सिर्फ आई पुट एंड. यू सी, एंड इज जॉइनिंग वर्ड, which is a coordinating conjunction, so this will make it compound sentence. Now here, as soon as I went upstairs, I began to get it down. जैसे ही ऊपर गया वापस आना चालू किया. यहाँ पे you can also use when or as soon as. Okay. Without paying bribe, you will not get passport. Okay. Without plus ing. This makes it simple sentence because there is no joining word but ing word. If I have to convert into compound sentence, now if you see, this is condition. If you don't pay bribe, you will not get the passport. So two options, two choices are given. So this can be written as pay bribe or you will not get passport. What have I used? Or. Or is coordinating conjunction. Two options. Either you have to pay bribe, otherwise you will not get the passport. So I have used coordinating conjunction or, so this makes it compound sentence, and at the same time I have not changed the meaning also. Now if I have to convert into complex sentence, unless you pay bribe you will not get passport. कंडीशन है, जब तक ब्राइब नहीं दोगे पासपोर्ट नहीं मिलेगा. तो आई हैव यूज्ड unless word for condition. For condition, I have used subordinating conjunction unless. Coordinating conjunction or. Without working hard, you will not fail. Again, without plus ing, yani this is simple sentence. Now, if I have to convert into compound, work hard or you will fail. Okay, ये option है, नहीं करोगे तो ये हो जाओगे, तो or is coordinating conjunction, so this becomes compound sentence. If I have to convert into complex sentence, condition के लिए unless, condition है, unless you work hard you will fail, नहीं करोगे work hard तो you will fail, तो this is the condition. Condition के लिए क्या word use किया, unless, which is a subordinating conjunction. So in short, you have to remember all these coordinating, subordinating conjunction. If you cannot remember, you will not be able to convert the sentence. Okay. Having dispatched the completed manuscript, I completely forgot about it. Having, okay. Having plus third form of a verb, past participle. This is simple sentence. If I have to convert into compound sentence, now if you see, these actions happened one after the other. मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट यानी हैंड रिटन लेटर ख़त्म किया और भूल गया, तो वन आफ्टर दी अदर्स थिंग्स हैपन. सो इसके लिए क्या यूज़ किया, जॉइनिंग वर्ड एंड. आई डिस्पैच द completed manuscript and promptly forgot about it. There is no contrast, okay, there is no reason, two actions, so that is why I used coordinating conjunction and to make it compound sentence. If I have to convert this into complex sentence, after I had dispatched the completed manuscript, I promptly forgot about it. Okay. I used subordinating conjunction after, so that meaning does not change, and at the same time I skipped this and word, which is a coordinating conjunction. Some more example. Again, you have to remember these coordinating, subordinating conjunction. Walking straight to the village, I bought myself 2 dozen penny exercise books. ing word is used, that means this is simple sentence. If I have to convert into compound sentence, I walked straight to the village and bought myself 2 dozen penny exercise book. Now if you see, these actions happened one after the other. So how did I combine? Using word and, which is a coordinating conjunction. I walked straight to the village where I bought myself 2 dozen penny exercise books. Now I told you these WH question words, when, where. So where I have used, so this makes it complex sentence. Please ensure that meaning does not change. When you change from simple to compound or compound to complex or simple to complex, you only have to skip joining words and replace, so that meaning does not change. Picking up my pen, I gazed out of the window. Again, two actions happened one after the other, so we will use coordinating conjunction and. I picked up my pen and gazed out of the window. When I picked up my pen, I gazed out of the window. When word, which is a WH word is a subordinating conjunction, yani this makes it complex sentence. Flinging it on the table, I set to work again. These are again similar type of sentences, one after the other. Two things happened, so I have combined using word and. I flung it on the table and set to work again. No sooner had I flung it on the table than I set to work again. अभी यहाँ पे when भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, as soon as भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. टाइम के रिलेटेड जो भी है when भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, as soon as भी. No, I have used different words so that you understand कि either of the word can be used, but you have to ensure that they are subordinating conjunction. You will replace coordinating conjunction with subordinating conjunction and meaning should not change. Being played well, they won the match. Again, what is that? This gives reason. Because they played well, they won the match. The moment it gives reason, here we will use so as a coordinating conjunction. They played well, so they won the match. But here reason के लिए क्या है joining word? Because है या since है. तो हमने use किया since. Since they played well, they won the match. So only thing changes is, if you see, is joining word. If you don't remember these joining words, it will become difficult for you to convert from one to other. In spite of losing the match, they enjoyed playing. Now if you see contrast ideas, first example के जैसे contrast ideas के लिए क्या use करेंगे joining word here? But या however. They lost the match, but they enjoyed playing it. Okay. but is a joining word which is coordinating conjunction for opposite ideas. And here, what is subordinating conjunction for opposite ideas? I told you though, yeah, although. So although they lost the match, they enjoyed it, right? So all you have to do is to remember coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, to convert from one form to other. I hope you like this session. If you like it, please share it with your friends and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.